Many conversations do not look like negotiations. For example, who to hire for a certain position, who will be leading the group, how to structure the meeting or conversation, what to talk about on a specific meeting with specific people, who invite to. So they look like just some decisions that need to be made. And certainly the decisions that are made affecting the course of what you do next. And when you collaborate with people about those decisions, essentially you effectively in the negotiation, you make an agreement about something. And negotiation is not um, more than just making agreements with people who have the right to disagree with you, and they have a free will to whether go with you or not. And not all the people will be comfortable of making decision. That your mission and the goal of a negotiator is to guide the decision making process and to learn about what there are positions of the other people involved in negotiation, explore that, explore who else needs to be involved, and solve a real problem, articulating the problem, seeing how other parties looking at the problem, and also understanding what they feel about that, what their background, what is their context, and then guiding them through that decision making process. If you make decisions, essentially you're making a progress, and at some point you will arrive to a decision, to an agreement, and well, hopefully you will be in a better place. But not all people are comfortable doing that, because in order to do that, you kind of need to challenge the status quo. You need to make an ask. And as a leader, your job is to actually initiate that and be courageous to go into the conversation like that. And there are no concepts of shy leaders who are avoiding or compromising all the time. So the goal of a leader is actually to focus on solving the problem and focus on what is in the leader's control, on activities, on the behavior and the decisions, and facilitate collective decision making. So that requires from a leader so-called growth mindset. What growth mindset is the ability to foster new information, soliciting it, asking the right questions so people would contribute more into the dialogue, building that dialogue, making it safe for everybody to participate, and focusing on the system. Because as long as you focus on the system, as long as you focus on what is in your control, you will be able to go through the execution, the preparation, execution, and the briefing state, and you will be able to make the right decision. And that will give you confidence in approaching those conversations and working with people. And you will be much more attractive to those people who you lead, in contrast to those who use power all the time and who overpower other people's decisions. So in order to be effective leader and effective negotiator, you need to be a very good decision maker, and also you need to be good at facilitating making decisions with other people. If you want to learn more about this, you need to learn about the system of negotiation, but also you can learn the different techniques of how to enable that system. And one of these techniques is actually reflective listening, is understanding what people think about certain things and how they feel about it, and how to reflect back and let them know that you understand them. That builds a lot of trust, and trust is a vital component that's fundamental for people to work and stay in a dialogue and collaborate with each other. So if you would like to learn about this, there will be a link below the video, and you can join me in a free masterclass and learn about reflective listening. Thank you.